First, in a stand-up mixer, you're going to cream together half a cup of butter and 1 cup of peanut butter. Now you're going to mix in 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of packed brown sugar. Now add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're going to mix in 3/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Now slowly mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Roll your balls of dough 1 inch thick and then place them on an ungreased baking sheet. Then place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. When your cookies come out of the oven, let them cool for 15 minutes on the pan before enjoying.